May 26th. It is Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed your long Memorial Day weekend. Today's objective: students will be able to solve multi-step word problems by converting measurement units. And your DOL is the math online assignment. So let's get started. You will need to use your conversion charts. Teacher Model 1. The mass of one green block is 500 grams, and I even colored it in with green so we don't get confused. The mass of one red block is 2 kilograms. So I have that block. They're not connected, but they are one block, and it's 2 kilograms. How much in grams do the two blocks weigh together? Okay, in this problem, we have been given the weight of two different blocks. The weights are given to us in two different units of measure. We need to determine how many grams the blocks weigh together. Therefore, the measurement of both blocks need to be in grams. Let's draw a bar model to organize the information, and I already did that. The green block weighs 500 grams and the red block weighs 2 kilograms. But remember, we need the total measurement to be in grams. Therefore, I drew a second bar model for the kilograms in order to help me with the conversion to grams. We know that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, so I'll replace each kilogram with 1,000 grams. Now we need to find the total amount of grams, so we're adding all of this together. 500 grams plus 1,000 grams plus 1,000 grams equals 2,500 grams. So first, drawing a picture is extremely helpful. You can do that on scratch paper in your notebooks. Then you need to convert the measurements so they're all grams, because that's what the question is asking us to do. Let's try another one. A bucket contains 3 liters of water. Mary uses 750 milliliters to water her plant. How many milliliters of water are left in the bucket? Mary is starting with a bucket that has 3 liters of water. She uses some of the water, and we are being asked to determine how many milliliters she has left in the bucket. This tells us that we need to first determine how many milliliters are in 3 liters. I drew my bar model to represent each liter of water, and I changed my liters to milliliters. How many milliliters are in 1 liter? 1,000. So I replaced each liter in my model with 1,000 milliliters as shown. How many total milliliters does Mary have in her bucket before watering her plant? She has 3,000 milliliters. Of these 3,000 milliliters, Mary uses 750 milliliters. Okay, so I have at the bottom altogether 3,000 milliliters. She poured out 750 milliliters to water her plant. Looking at our bar model, what equation can we use to determine this? Well, I have 3,000 milliliters altogether, and I am taking away 750 milliliters. So 3,000 milliliters minus 750 equals 2,250 milliliters. All I had to do was convert my measurement and then solve for the problem. It's multi-step, so it's not just converting. You need to then add or subtract in order to solve. Teacher Model 3. Maggie bought a watermelon that weighed 8 pounds and a peach that weighs 5 ounces. How much in ounces does Maggie's fruit weigh? Okay, the question is asking us ounces. So we need to first turn our 8 pounds into ounces. I know 1 pound is 16 ounces, so I made my bar model. But we can't forget about that extra peach that weighs 5 ounces. I have that at the very end of my second bar model. So now I have 8 groups of 16, which is 128, plus my extra 5 ounces at the end for my peach. You can't forget about that peach. So now all together, Maggie's fruit weighs 133 ounces. First you convert, and then you need to add or subtract in order to solve. And if you're confused by how I know how to do this, this question is asking how much does Maggie's fruit weigh? So there's no reason to subtract. I'm seeing how much her fruit weighs. I'm going to add everything together. On the other hand, in this problem, Mary's pouring out water. Water is being taken away. All right, your independent work is your Google Classroom assignment that is due today. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday, and if you have any questions, please ask in the private comments. Thank you.